Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 43, how to payments create model and controller in Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12. www.errorsolutioncode.com. This is the official website. Contact for website service related. So please contact +919941599815 anytime contact. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run. Localhost PSP my admin inside this Laravel 12 underscore. This is a Laravel. This is a database name. And this is a list of table is available. This is my project is already run, and this payment is a implementation. This video is a model and controller create, and this is a route is a implementation. Let's start this video, and this is my project is already open. This is my Sublime text editor. This is a project jam folder inside this st2 direct, and this project is already Sublime text editor. Let's close this. First of all, this is a payment table. This is a table is available. This payments table inside this payment id, student id, amount, payment date, and payment method and not. Payment method is available, case, card, and transfer. This is the implementation. This is a where care. This is all implementation. First of all, this is the payment implementation. This is a, let's click this payment. Payments. First of all, this is id. Payment. First of all, this is a id is a implementation. This is the only id. Second is a student's id. This student id means this is the same name, copy and paste here student's id. Third is the implementation amount. Let's fill is a sixth field is the implementation. This is a amount. Next is amount, payment date. Payment date. Next is a payment method. Fourth is the implementation notes. And notes inside this implementation txt. This is a text, and this payment method is a where care. This is the date. This amount is a where care. This is a same here 111,255. This is a 11,255, and this is a created date, and last is a updated date. In this is a by default date and time. Laravel by default is a implementation. This is all good. This first of all, this is a null, and inside this null, all nullable implementation. And this select primary key and auto increment. Click this AI means auto increment, and same name, payment method, and one id. This is all good. Let's click this save. 100% table is a successfully saved. This is a payment table is a successfully saved. Let's check this is inside this available payment table. This is a all, and this is a blank table is available. This table name is available payment table name is available payment table, and this inside the same name copy, and this is a model is a create. This is a custom model. This is app http model is not available. Let's click this new payment model PSP. Payment model is a successfully create payment model, and this is a successfully create. Inside this is a class open, and this is the same here copy and paste here, and the same here all this not use this remove, and this is a close this. Inside the same name is a rename and copy and paste here payment model, and this is a payment model. In this table name is available payment table name. Successfully this is a table is a good working. This model is a successfully created. This model is a create, all good. Next is a controller is a create. Controller is same name is a copy and controller stap controller, and this is a new controller is a payment controller, controller PSP. Successfully PSP controller is a create, and the same name copy and paste here inside this paste here, and this is a controller and this is a rename, and paste here inside this payment controller. Successfully controller is a create payment controller. Let's use app model and payment model is an implementation, same name copy and paste here. Save. This is a app inside this available, this model is available, model inside this controller is available. All good. This is the model is successfully working fine. This is a model and control successfully create. But let's refresh this page. Inside this click this payment and not working. Let's step by step. This sidebar is open. Resource view, super admin, layout is inside the sidebar. Let's inside this button is available, payment button. This is a button is available. Let's create URL super admin payment method payments dot list. Same file copy and refresh this page and click this payment. 100% is working. Super admin payments list successfully working fine. Just copy this, otherwise this copy URL, same URL, and this is a add tag means get method. Route web.php open. Inside this super admin is available, this super admin available. Inside this is a create new route get method get and paste here, and this is a get method is a add tag payment controller. The same name is open copy payment controller copy and paste here. Class inside this index function, index, and close this save file. Let's copy this name copy. Inside this include use app http controller and paste here. Save file. This is a successfully include this controller is a include app http controller app http controller inside this is a payment controller. This payment controller find this inside this available, same name copy, and inside this is a new public function is create public function paste here index, same name is this index. Return view. This is a super admin payments dot index. Same file is a save file. Let's super admin. This is a super admin is available. Super admin inside this new folder create new folder successfully. New folder is a created. Let's inside this index blade PSP create index blade dot PSP successfully create and hello save file and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is a good. Let's inside this and open and this same name copy and paste here, and this is remove and end section, same name section save file. Let's refresh this page. Good working. Let's click this is a enrollment is a working fine. Same here payment is a black is available. Let's inside this is a high and save file and refresh this page. 100% high is a show, but this is a payment. Enrollment is a not a show. This is only payment, but payment is a menu is a not active. Less menu is active. Sidebar menu, same name copy this copy and inside this is a paste here, and this is a payment. Second is a payment, same name copy and paste here payment and refresh this page. 100% is a payment is a highlight. Good working. This is a fine. This is a working good. Payment menu is a 100% is a working fine. This is a all good. This is a hello hi. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. This is we are here to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. All good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.